Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a comparison between two plastic-like products. One is Plastidip, the other is Flex Seal. So I'm going to show you the differences between them and the results of both in use and in application. So first off, we have Plastidip. This is liquid rubber pretty much in a can. It has a dry time. We'll go over the whole thing. So dipping is insert 1 inch every 5 seconds, withdraw at the same rate, allow 30 minutes between coats, 4 hours minimum dry time before use. So now Plastidip is really cool because like when you dip it in, if you dip it in at the 1 inch every 5 seconds and pull it out at the same rate, it doesn't drip when you pull it out. It is almost like an instant dry. It's not dry to the touch, but it like cures and bonds right away, and it sticks to whatever you're dipping in. Then you can let it dry for 30 minutes, dip in another coat. 4 hours later, it's like solid, it's like rubber, it's like you bought it from the store. It's an awesome product. Flex Seal, let's take a look at the back of this one. This one is, okay, so it says allow each coat to dry completely before adding additional coats. Allow 24 to 48 hours or more to dry. So with Flex Seal, you need to have 24 to 48 hours to dry between coats. So that means you have to dip it in, you wait 24 hours, dip it in again for another coat. The good news with Flex Seal is that when it dries, it is solid. It is like really solid. It is liquid rubber that turns into some really hard, durable, flexible rubber. It is excellent. Now, the differences between the two, this one is much faster drying. It doesn't drip. That's a huge advantage. This one drips, so you need to be careful. You need to make sure that whatever you're putting in there, like if you're going to dip in like this dowel or a tool handle or something, Flex Seal is not for you. If you're going to coat like a pliers handle here, Plastidip is the way to go. If you're going to repair a leak or something, then use Flex Seal because it's going to be more durable, it's going to last longer, it's going to be a lot stronger bond than Plastidip. So here we go. I'm going to dip half and half, some in Flex Seal, some in Plastidip, and you're going to get to see it in action. So we're going to go with Plastidip first, simply because this is going to be the better dipping option. So I shouldn't have lifted it up there for you, but that's okay. So here we go. Dip it in 1 inch every 5 seconds. So we'll go in just about to there, then I'll pull it out at the same rate, nice and easy, and hopefully we won't have any dripping. So you can see there I got a little extra on the edge, so that's going to probably drip. But to prevent that, you just tip it like this, and there we go. So now you can see there's a little thicker there, and on the edge, that is pretty much liquid rubber. I mean, it's really awesome. I really love it. I have a pliers. I've dipped pliers handles in it. I've dipped like screwdriver handles. I've dipped a lot of stuff in Plastidip. It's a really solid, durable product. It's a nice plastic coating, and it really dries in about 30 minutes. I mean, it's pretty dry right now. Like I could almost touch it, and it's not, you know, I mean, it's just a little sticky. It's not wet. You can kind of see there I'm touching it, and there's nothing getting on my finger. I know it's hard to see because my fingers are pretty dirty. I'll have to do another how-to video on how to remove all this crap from your finger. But that's that. Plastidip is pretty much instant dry. It's very cool. So now we'll move on to Flex Seal. This is definitely not instant dry. It is definitely a lot stronger of a bond than Plastidip, and it is very difficult to get off of your skin, as you can see. So this I'm going to dip in. We'll kind of stick with that same rate, 1 inch every 5 seconds. Then I'll kind of pull it out at the same rate here, and you'll see here that Flex Seal has drippage, definitely, but it is a pretty good product still, and I think that it is worth having both of them in your home because you never know which one you're going to need. You can get links to all of these in the description below, and you can pick them up at your leisure. So you see there, look how thick the Flex Seal is on compared to the Plastidip on the bottom. And Flex Seal, you notice I'm kind of rotating it a lot because otherwise it would just drip off. So this Flex Seal is going to be, I mean, it's probably, if I stood here like this for a half an hour, then Flex Seal would be dry to not drip. But right now, if you touch it, like you watch this, I'll touch this, it is still liquidy like crazy. whereas when I touched that, it was pretty dry. So now you can see if I touch this, I mean, it's like pretty dry to the touch even right now. I probably couldn't like strip it off, but it's still kind of moist, but it's dry. Whereas the Flex Seal, this will be an hour or so before this is dry like the Plastidip. So that is that. You can use either one, whichever is best for whatever you need. But basically, if you want a quick drying application, use Plastidip. If you want something to stop leaks or to really coat something in rubber, use the Flex Seal. Both of them will be available in the description below.